Before we start, guys, please make sure you stay until the end. If you make one common mistake, you may end up spending, guys, thousands of dollars in repairs. Stay with us, we'll explain what it is. Hey guys, welcome back to Auto Repair, guys. If you guys need to find where fuses and relays for low beam or high beam headlights are located, where you can expect to find them, guys. Do not waste money on headlights, modules, parts, diagnostics until you watch that video. It could be simple fix. Also, guys, if you need to buy replacement parts too at a good price, quick shipping, that way you do not waste your money and time. We'll share the information in the description of the video below for your convenience. So let's start on it now. Before we start, let us tell you a little bit about us, guys. Every single car we get here at the garage, we try to make at least 200 to 300 free repair videos. We make mechanical repair videos, engines, transmissions, bodywork, electrical, engine, transmission codes, fuses. Why we guys do all that? Because our mission here at the garage is, guys, to save you as much money as we can. All we need in return, please subscribe to the channel, like the video. That way we can keep making these free videos. And guys, check out our YouTube channels. We have more than 17,000 free repair videos that can save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. So let's start on it now. So guys, let's go ahead and explain what we need to do here. First, we need to go ahead and open the hood. Once we guys open the hood, okay, we're going to get to the fuse box, but before we do that, guys, we have a special video on our YouTube channel that's known as Fuse Box Location and Diagram on Mercedes W204 that's going to teach you about all the different fuses, relays, hidden components, because there are a few of those and that can save you quite a bit of money, guys. Here on the driver's side, you have that cover. You need to remove the hose and the wire, undo the clips, and here underneath you're going to have a fuse box with a layout like this one here. Before we continue, guys, let's explain quickly why it's always a good idea to test fuses and relays. Guys, let's explain why it's super important to test fuses and relays. That way you do not spend money on diagnostics, parts, repairs you may actually not even need. So, guys, you have different kinds of fuses and relays. We're talking about the maxi fuses, standard fuses right here. You have, watch how many different kinds of relays as well. Now, these fuses, sometimes you can clearly see if a fuse is burnt or not by looking at the element. But sometimes it's really sneaky. They can burn here on the side. It's hard to see. Some fuses will not be visible as well. And we had people that will spend thousands of dollars in repairs, replacing modules, even engine computers, when all they had to do, they assumed they had a good fuse. They pulled it out, they saw it, and they assumed it was good. But guys, you can easily test these fuses, and on some of these, most of them, they have even the terminals on top that allows you to check them with a voltmeter and find out if it's good or bad. You see, that's a good fuse. If it's blown, okay, like this one here, it's blown, nothing. Check this thing out, no connection. One next to it, okay. Right here, let me get good contact point. That's a good fuse, guys. You can see you can test them. Now, relays are harder to test, but with the voltmeter, fuses are super easy to test. All we have to do is set it on that setting and practically your home resistance setting, and you can find, guys, okay, if it works or not. For instance, that one was the good fuse. You can see it's going to go down to 0 ohms resistance, or you can go ahead, remove it and test it the same way, guys. It should have 0 ohm resistance. Now, relays, guys, are a little bit more complicated, but it's doable. It will take you a minute or two to find out how to do that. Now, we'll put, guys, links to a video that will explain how to test relays, how to test fuses, which battery terminal you need to reconnect and disconnect first if you're doing repairs, because that can cause modules to burn as well, and that can cost you thousands of dollars in repair. Check out the videos, they will be in the description of the video below. So let's start on it now. Here, guys, we need to check multiple fuses today, so be prepared. Will be quite a few. Starting on this side, we need to check, guys, that's 1, 2, 3, so we need to check fuse number 4. Right here, that 20 amp fuse. Fuse number 5 next to it needs to be checked as well. Then we need to check fuse number 14. So that on the back, that's 17, 16, 15, 14. The fuse number will be right next to the fuse on the right side, so you will be able to see that. After that, you will need to, guys, check fuse number 18 right here. See how the fuse number is right there. Next, we guys need to check fuse 29, which is right here. That's fuse number 29, and you need to check fuse number 30 as well. So these two fuses will need to be checked. Now, you don't have headlights relay That function is controlled by the SAM module, the front SAM module, that one right here. And if you want to check the SAM module fuses relays, we'll have the video on the channel for any of you looking for that as well. In this Mercedes W204, you're going to have all kinds of different fuses and relays that sometimes are hard to find. And if you're in the middle of nowhere, you may have a hard time finding one, guys. Replacement one, you may be stuck. It happened to us. So what we usually do, we buy some spare ones and we put in the glove box for a peace of mind. We'll share a link where you can get them at a really good price, quick shipping. That way you do not waste money and time. That link will be in the description of the video below. Check it out for your convenience. Hopefully, guys, the video will be helpful. Thank you for watching and see you next time.